When you think about Tigre, what comes to your mind? A company that takes care of water and transforms people's quality of life? A major brand in construction industry who's always innovating ahead of its time. For many, a pioneer in manufacturing PVC pipes and fittings in Brazil and leader in several markets. Others think about the 15,000 products in its portfolio. One might think about the various businesses we play in, such as plumbing, waterworks, HVAC, water and wastewater treatment, irrigation, and infrastructure, in a company that is present in about 30 countries, or one of the best companies to work with in Brazil, Colombia, and Paraguay. But when we think of Tigre, we think about people, because Tigre is made of them. People. And the peace of mind Tigre represents to them. People like you. That's it. What moves us is the confidence you've had in our brand for more than 80 years. Being a Tigre professional, plumber, contractor, store owner, architect, designer, or customer. It's due to such connection with you that we will go on, working, creating, innovating, evolving, always thinking about your quality of life. After all, we count with your trust for the next 80 years. And another 80 years.